In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Notion date property for deadlines, events, and calendars. Think of the date property as your database's built-in scheduler. It's designed to store and manage dates and times, whether you're tracking a single deadline, a multi-day event, or anything in between. Start by opening a database that has a date field. Click into any date cell to choose a single date. This is perfect for due dates, milestones, or reminders you want to see at a glance. If your task or event spans more than one day, switch from a single date to arrange by enabling an end date. You'll select a start and end date, which makes it easy to represent conferences, vacations, or project sprints. Ranges display clearly across multiple days and show up that way in your calendar view too. When timing matters, include a specific time. You can choose between 12-hour and 24-hour formats based on your preference. This is especially useful for meetings, launch times, or anything time-sensitive. To make sure you never miss it, add a reminder directly to the date. You can set it for the exact time, or choose options like minutes, hours, or days before. Notion will notify you at the right moment, so you don't have to keep everything in your head. Time zones are handled intelligently. Dates with times are shown in the time zone they were set in, which is great for distributed teams. If collaborators are in different regions, they may see time zone details in the property to avoid confusion. A quick tip: communicate which time zone you're using in shared pages when scheduling something important. The date property also powers the calendar view. Switch your database to a calendar, and every item with a date appears on the correct day. Ranges stretch across multiple days, helping you visualize workload and project timelines. This view is incredibly useful for planning, spotting overlaps, and keeping your week balanced. You can format how dates and times display to match regional preferences, like day month year or month day year, and select your preferred time format. Consistent formatting improves readability across your whole workspace. Finally, the date property integrates with Notion formulas. You can calculate days until a deadline, add or subtract time for forecast dates, or compare two dates to track progress. This turns your dates into dynamic, automated insights that keep projects on track. Use single dates for clear deadlines, ranges for multi-day work, times and reminders for punctuality, and the calendar view to see it all at once. With thoughtful formatting and formulas, the date property becomes a reliable system for planning and execution.